What's up, fellow Zam Jammers, and a warm welcome to everybody who's not subscribed and notified to this YouTube channel. First of all, welcome to day 4 of VEDA, a vlog every day in April. This video is all about why I want to become a full-time YouTuber. The initial title was going to be why I want to become a full-time creator, but that is not entirely true. First of all, being a YouTuber entails a lot more than just creating vlogs and uploading. In my perspective, it involves being involved in the community, connecting with other YouTubers, and personally organizing meetups and events and opportunities for people to do this. And if you're a YouTuber, I'd hope that you think that that is part of your social responsibility as well. Now, being a creator just means creating content and uploading it, which I will be honest, I think that is part of who I am and what I want to be. If you saw yesterday's video, it was all about being a visionary. And visionaries want to create. They don't just want to do things that they're told. Now, sure, the reasons for me wanting to become a full-time YouTuber aren't what you might think for most people, to become rich and famous. But actually, if I must be honest with you, I feel called in my heart by God to create or bring unity in South Africa. Now, that is a goal which might seem quite elusive, like how are we even going to get there? And it's not something that we see today. It is something that I see in my mind and that I believe is possible, and I'm going to work towards doing that. Now, when I was at university, that meant bringing all the Christian societies together through my Christian society, UCAN, United Christians at NMU, and now in the YouTube scene. Now, the thing is, people who are YouTubers, who are creatives, I believe are also visionary because they create, because they see something that doesn't exist and then they bring it into existence. Now, I want to impact people like that because I need to reach out to other people who can join me in this vision of seeing a united South Africa and work with that, with what we have. Now, I will do everything in my power to bring people together, to promote community within the YouTube sphere of people, because like I said, those are like-minded individuals, and there are people from different backgrounds over there. We've got gaming YouTubers who are all intellectual and tech YouTubers. We've got beauty vloggers and YouTubers who are like more creative in that way. We've got males, we've got females, we've got black and white and colored and Indian and just so many different kinds of people, but we can unite on one thing, and that is being a South African YouTuber. And I really hope that the effort and the initiative that I show them, that I'm willing to do all of this just to bring us together because of that common purpose, to be willing to help each other, that would flow into them and that they would reciprocate it to those around them. Even just on the point of being a South African, that they can show the same love to other people, that like, I believe it's love. I invest love into this. I do want to help people because I love them. And the reason why I love people, I wouldn't naturally love people, but it's because I've got someone who's shown me a lot of love when I didn't deserve it. And yes, guys, that's God. That's God. And because He loved me first, that's why I want to love other people. And that brings me to shouting out the third YouTuber for the series on the 21 YouTubers I plan on shouting out in the series, and that is Lorinda Pretorius. She's been on my channel before. I'm actually on my way to go and meet her right now, and going straight from there to a cell group, and it's 2:30 right now, so I need to record this vlog and have it uploaded before 3 because I need to meet her at 3. So this vlog will be going up a bit earlier and it's going to be a bit shorter. So I really hope that I was able to communicate to you why I want to be a full-time YouTuber and invest all of my effort into that specifically. So thank you for watching. Give this video a like and please do comment what you think about what I've said. Until next time, Zam Jammer out.